Hello, guys. A warm welcome to Revolution Games Academy. In the last video, you learned about implementing first-person and third-person cameras. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, is creating simple 3D environments, terrains, water, skyboxes. In Unity, terrain is used to create large, realistic landscapes like mountains, valleys, and plains. Water adds elements like lakes, rivers, or oceans, enhancing the environment's realism and interaction. Skyboxes provide a 360-degree background simulating the sky, clouds, or even space, creating an immersive atmosphere for the scene. Together, they form the foundation of visually appealing and natural 3D environments. Terrain and water are downloaded using packages. A package includes pre-built assets and tools that can be easily dragged and dropped into the scene and used wherever needed. Go to the Unity Asset Store and search for Aquos Lite built-in render pipeline. It is free, and since I have already purchased it, I just need to import it into Unity. Navigate to Unity, simply import the package and wait for a few seconds. The package has been imported into the assets. Click on Aquos Lite where you will find many options. Open the demo folder and select the demo scene. Now, observe the terrain and water in the hierarchy window. Adjust the camera angle to explore the scene in both the scene and game windows. Click on the terrain, and in the inspector window, you will find the terrain component. The paint texture option includes 4 terrain layers that are applied to the terrain. Below that, there is a brush tool, which can be used for painting and applying textures to the terrain as desired. The water plane is a prefab. The main feature applied is the material, which gives life to the water. The Aquos Lite water and Aquos Lite water back face was applied. In the water plane, a reflection probe is attached to the water, making it appear realistic in both the scene and game windows. The Aquos Lite reflection script is attached to the water plane. The primary purpose of this script is to provide a reflection texture for the water, making it look realistic and allowing the water to reflect the camera, similar to a mirror. Use the mouse in the scene view to explore the terrain and water environment. In Unity, a skybox is a visual element that creates the illusion of a surrounding sky, horizon, or even space in a 3D environment. It wraps around the entire scene as a cube or sphere, providing a background that enhances the atmosphere and immersion of the game. Download an image and drag it into Unity Asset. Click on the image in the Assets folder, change the texture shape to cube, and then click the Apply button. Now drop the image into the scene. Then, see the difference? The surroundings are now covered with the image, which you can view in both the scene and game windows. And that's it. Today you learned about creating simple 3D environments using terrains, water, and skyboxes. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Unity tips. Stay tuned for the next video. We'll explore more things in Unity. See you next time.